Okay, so anseo tá na focal nua, na focal le O. Okay, so le O. So roilig cosú le pota, so pota, pole, so hole, right? Portán, portán, lung. Okay, so it's not long, it's lung, like a U, lung. Okay, lung, tun, octopus, dern, so dern, so ru, a wheel, brook, so brook, stucca, crusta, August monkey. Okay, so it's all sound. It's not long, it's so lung, pole, portán, tun, dern, stucca, putta, brook. So okay, so it's sound. So I want to go through this once. Okay, so putta, okay, pole, portán, lung, tun, octopus, dern, ru, brook, stucca, okay, crusta, so crusta, August monkey, okay, monkey. Okay, so Lena Barney, so queer on Litir O shock, you got right. So big sure air on class dojo, so it's going on class dojo. You have to write this out in your copy, it's okay. So insert the O into the missing spaces, right? August on show, boa lum na Abertí umlawn a scream mock. So I want you to write out the whole sentence into your Irish copy. Okay, so a B, a hen. And our heading is Litir O. Okay, it'll be the title of this, right? So Litir O. So B. Queer on focal cart san Albert. Okay, so V, on Variga. Remember that's a V sound. On Variga. So V on, what's condition? On lung. Okay, V on lung, on Variga. Right? Conic Liam San Ishka. So call it conic shape. Conic Liam octopus. Alright? Honig Husig Laura Egg Surfall. So Honig Husig Laura Egg Surfall. So V she egg surfall, right? V egg shul Gumau Aaron Tra. So V egg shul Gumau Aaron Tra. Right? Rinna Liam something Saganav. Right? So Liam made a something Saganav. So to make a hole. So pole. Rug on Portán Liam. V Liam. What was he? So rug on Portán. Rug on Portán Liam. So on Rev She on Rev Ahas no, on Rev Crusta Crusta. Right? Okay, so Shane on Gaeilge. So Bwadlam Gockrod on Show a queer shocks a co-flower. So Shay Abertí, Tashana Iska. So big ship Clark Lore. Alright? If you have any problems, contact me in Class Dojo. Okay?